Meanwhile, in a rare moment, the streets of downtown Kingston were flooded with police officers who were not at work, but instead came out to make a statement about their disgruntlement with the court process. They also gained support from citizens. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Not even the pelting sun, rain, or even their colleagues on duty trying to maintain social distancing measures could prevent the scores of police officers from dispersing the streets of downtown Kingston Thursday. This as the hearing into the settlement of the overtime wages was underway in court. Clad in black and a touch of red, police officers crowded the steps of the Supreme Court, hoisting placards and chanting, "We need our money." They're protesting against what they describe as the long overdue overtime wage settlement between the Police Federation and the government.
What we do? Fed up! What we do? Fed up! We want money! We want money! That is owed to us!
The crowd caused an unusual traffic pileup at some intervals, which was made worse by curious motorists and passers-by. Others recorded the police officers, citing that they'd never seen protests by the country's law enforcers.
I come down to the liquor shopping and I just buck up on the crowd and I'm asking what is going on. And I saw somebody saying that it's the police officers them out here talking about their pay from the government. And I agree with them.
This Central Kingston resident says she's been following the reports and described the impasse as embarrassing on the part of the government.
I am 100% behind the police. The JCF deserve, if they will ask the Air Force One, they are supposed to get it immediately with effect. Yeah. They work very hard, and they have them family, and they have to risk them life. With these gun boys, that's not easy. Them forget anything where them ask for. You see how much real we gone with? Eh?
And even though the settlement was not reached Thursday, the officers are hopeful that an agreement will be reached come December 16.
We fed up for Christmas too. And if we don't get to the Christmas, please give us a reasonable offer so we can take care of our family.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.